Now suppose instead that the forecaster forecasts no change or forecasts a decreased demand. Okay, then here is our new payoff table. Notice our probabilities have changed. These are the ones we got from the Bayes rule calculations from before, and our EMVs change as a result. Let's look at what that means then, and then we'll look at how to calculate this in Excel afterwards. Okay, so our EMV decision switches to no, because our highest EMV here is a 6.79. Okay, so the decision related with that is no. And again, our expected payoff, if the forecaster forecasts no increase, is $6,790,000 as long as you don't build the plant. Let's now look at how you get this table and generate these numbers in Excel. Okay, so again, to go get my probabilities associated with this scenario, the forecaster has now forecasted no change or a decrease. Okay, so to get the probabilities, I go grab them off my Bayes rule calculations. I grab the 0.73 for the case where there has been no change or a low demand forecasted, but there's actually high demand. And then I grab this 26% for the case where no change or a low demand has been forecasted and there's an actual no change or low demand. Okay, oh, and so sorry about that. Let's just copy that down. Perfect. And now again, I'm ready to do my sum products. You actually don't even need to. If you really want, you can just copy paste from any of the above calculations, but let's just redo it here. So sum product of those probabilities with those payoffs. Here we are, lock the probabilities, copy that across, and here we are. So 6.79 is now our optimal EMV. So in the case where the forecaster forecasts no change, then our EMV value is going to be the 6.79, and the EMV decision is going to be no, don't build the plant. This is different than before, sorry. Before, when we had the forecaster forecasting high demand, our optimal EMV was the 10.39 and our optimal decision was to build the plant. If the forecaster forecasts no change or low decreased demand, then optimally is to not build the plant with an expected value of 6.79.